Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, May 9, 2022 on our channel. Lineage Logistics acquires Mandai Link Logistics for major expansion into Singapore. Xos and Thermo King to jointly develop a refrigerated commercial vehicle prototype that is 100% battery electric. Innovate4Climate Workshop, raising GHG mitigation ambition in the cooling sector. So, first news today. Lineage Logistics acquires Mandai Link Logistics for major expansion into Singapore. Lineage Logistics, LLC, the world's largest and most innovative temperature-controlled industrial right and logistics solutions provider, announced it has acquired Mandai Link Logistics, Mandai, marking the company's market entry into Singapore. Financial terms of the transaction were not disclosed. Mandai established Singapore's first fully automated cold storage facility and has been long considered a local market leader in the provision of cold storage warehousing and distribution services, Jeff Hogarth, President Asia Pacific at Lineage, said. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Xos and Thermo King to jointly develop a refrigerated commercial vehicle prototype that is 100% battery electric. Xos Incorporated announced a partnership with Thermo King to jointly develop a refrigerated commercial vehicle prototype that is 100% battery electric. The battery electric refrigerated prototype vehicle will support fresh and frozen applications and will be used in field trials by Xos and Thermo King customers. We're proud to partner with a leader in transport refrigeration like Thermo King to continue delivering the best possible electric solutions for our end customers, said Jose Castañeda, Vice President of Business Development at Xos. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Innovate4Climate Workshop, raising GHG mitigation ambition in the cooling sector. On May 26, 2022 at 12:10 p.m. EDT, 4:10 p.m. GMT/UT, a virtual workshop will be held on raising greenhouse gas (GHG) mitigation ambition in the cooling sector by aligning Montreal Protocol and Paris Agreement agenda. The workshop forms part of the agenda of the annual Innovate4Climate (I4C) conference. The cooling sector is a significant contributor to global greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions and, in light of rising temperatures and steady population growth, its impact will become even greater within the next decades. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.